All right, this is after the flood has ended. It has been raining in Texas for quite a while, and today it's all sunny. This is what the road looks like while I'm traveling down on my Lambretta. No go on this route, dude. And I also see crane fishing on the road, actually catching fish as the fish go by. Even though the lights are flashing, I don't think I'll be going down this road anytime soon. Anyway, time to bust a U-turn and get out of here. Okay, after getting flooded out on the street, I run into this, like, I guess, motorcycle benefit to benefit someone or something like this. Anyway, I'm not sure what it is, but I show up and there's a bunch of the Norton guys here today, and what a long day.